has the hiccups. He's 5 days old or 6 days old? 5?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. He's got the hiccups. That's what they look like, 5 days old. Here, get him out. I'm trying to show his hiccups.
This one has the hiccups too.
They get the hiccups a lot.
Get VPs. Don't even get over here.
So cute they are. Just so cute. Gentle with him. Oh, his little face.
Oh, look at VP. Look at, he's trying to